you all are staying healthy and safe. Today we're going to do math from the computer. So we're going to do it just like we do in class. I'm going to do some with you, and then there will be a paper that you can have your parent either print out, or you can just write your answers on a piece of paper at your house. We've been working on measurement, and today we're going to continue to work on that. This first question, we see a ladder, and they give us one paper clip, and the question says, how many paper clips tall is this ladder? Well, if you remember, we talked about we could use our fingers to tell about how many paper clips something is. So this paper clip, when I did it, was about 2 of my fingers. So if I put my 2 fingers and then I line it up, remember I kind of did a line on the other side, I moved my fingers, and that would be another one, and then if I put one more, I have about one more where it's even with the top of the ladder, and I can put a mark there. And then I can count to see about how many paper clips. So if I count, this was 1 paper clip, 2 paper clips, 3 paper clips. So this was about 3 paper clips tall. And remember, you want to start where the ladder starts and end where the ladder ends. Okay, so just see about how many paper clips something is with your fingers, and you can just kind of make an eye of it. The next question we see, they give us a shovel, or actually a rake, 2 buckets, and some shovels, and they want to know how many shovels the rake is. Well, I can see that my rake is 2 buckets tall. So I need to figure out, okay, well, how many shovels is a bucket? And it tells me that a bucket, you see it's lined up, is about 1, 2, 3, 4 shovels. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my 4 shovels on this bucket. Remember, I don't have to draw shovels. I can just draw circles. So this one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, if you see, it's lined up. The top of the rake is lined up with all my shovels as well as the bottom. So now I can count my shovels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my rake is 8 shovels tall. Let's take a look at another one that we have, something that we're going to see. This question says, the fish is about 3 paper clips long. My question is, how many paper clips would 4 fish be? So I have 1 fish, so I'm going to put a 1 over my first fish. Okay, I'm going to draw a line for another fish and put a 2. I'm going to draw another line and put a 3. And a last line and put a 4. Okay, well, I know that this fish was 3 paper clips, so I have to make all of my fish 3 paper clips. So I'm going to put 3 circles under each of my fish. Okay, and now I'm going to count it up. Now, some of you, when we did this, remember we were just counting what we drew, but you also need to count your first fish. Let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 fish would be about 12 paper clips. All right, we're going to do one last one before I let you try it on your own. This one says, the hat is about 4 paper clips long. How many paper clips would 2 hats be? Well, it tells me that my hat is 4 paper clips, but I feel like they only give me 1. So what I'm going to do is, so that I remember about how many paper clips long they told me it was, I'm going to draw the rest of the paper clips. So they give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this is my first hat, so I'm going to put a 1. I want to know how many 2 hats would be. So I'm going to draw another line. Okay, I'm going to do my 4 paper clips. Make sure you label your second hat as well, so 2. Now I'm going to count all of my paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 hats would be about 8 paper clips long. Okay, so now I want you guys to try it on your own.